Alright, the easy way on how to replace a hot water heater element and make things a little easier. I got myself a 1.5 inch socket, grinded it down so it's nice and flat. Make sure your electricity's off, make sure your water's off, and get yourself a nice towel, because it will leak a little bit. Alright, tuck that in there, give it a nice little bib. Get your element. You got your element. It's got a little rubber gasket on there too, but I wanted to put some pipe thread seal around it anyways. And you want to use some of this stuff. It helps with the sealing. And this water heater is really old, but it works. Now, after your water and your electricity's off, make sure you test it, blah blah blah. Safety's number one. Make sure you get everything ready, because you got to do this quick. You're just going to pull it out, put the new one in theory. Ready? And that's the old element. It's got quite a few freaking issues.